In this video, we will learn how to find the median of grouped data using a less than type frequency distribution. In this example, we will convert less than cumulative frequencies into class intervals. Then, we will find the actual frequencies and calculate the median, step by step. Here, we are given the weights in kilograms, along with their cumulative frequencies in less than form. These values already represent cumulative frequency. First, we convert the less than values into class intervals. Less than 25 becomes 0 to 25. Less than 30 becomes 25 to 30. Less than 35 becomes 30 to 35. Similarly, we form the remaining class intervals. Next, we calculate the frequency of each class interval. The first frequency is 12. Then we subtract consecutive cumulative frequencies. 28 minus 12 gives 16. 48 minus 28 gives 20. 65 minus 48 gives 17. 80 minus 65 gives 15. After calculating the frequencies, we complete the table. With frequency and cumulative frequency columns, the total frequency, denoted by n, is 80. The total frequency, n, is 80, therefore n by 2 equals 40. Since 40 lies between 28 and 48, the median class is 30 to 35. From the median class, we identify the required values. L equals 30, F equals 20, CF equals 28, and the class width, H equals 5. To find the median of group data, we use the median formula. Here, L represents the lower boundary of the median class. CF is the cumulative frequency before the median class. F is the frequency of the median class. And H is the class width. Now, we substitute these values into the median formula. 30 plus, open bracket, 40 minus 28, close bracket, divided by 20, multiplied by 5. First, we solve the bracket. 40 minus 28 equals 12. Next, 12 divided by 20 equals 0.6. Then, 0.6 multiplied by 5 equals 3. Finally, we add this value to 30. This gives 30 plus 3, which equals 33. Therefore, the median weight is 33 kilograms. Keep learning with StepUp. Here you will find easy mathematics concepts, step-by-step solutions, and helpful exam preparation tips. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the StepUp channel for more statistics and mathematics lessons.